How's it going, guys? Today we're checking out the Meet Mr. Big canister shells by Alien Presents, and these are still left over from last year. As you can tell, these are some of my favorite shells. A box of 6 like this will run you back $22.49. The warning label says shoots flaming balls with reports, and a box like this comes with one fiberglass tube. You'll see here that the wrapping is individually colored, and that corresponds to their effect. With that, I think it's time to demo Meet Mr. Big.